YouTube? I'm back. Y'all know what's going on. I got some car mods I done. I did some halo ring lights for my fog lights. I deleted the fog lights off the front face of my car. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I had to do that, everything I had to get into, and I'm gonna show you how it look. Well, you can see it back there in the back. God, car clean, man, car clean. Them halo lights definitely changed how it look. And I'm back, man. I got the hardest car right now. I'm just playing. I ain't got the hardest car yet, but we getting there. We definitely getting there. So I'm gonna post some clips of everything showing how I had to wire it, all that. I'm gonna do a walk around of the car, show y'all how it look. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so with this install, you have to take the front fascia off. If you got a boss car, you got to take the front fascia off to even take the fog lights out. So as you can see, fog light is in, that one is out. I'm just showing y'all one side, so you just push these tabs in, take the fog light out, tab there. Right here on the other side, show you the tab. Tab there, there, and there. Focus a little bit. And you gotta take that tab, and that tab. This whole part to come out. To take the front face off, there's 2 clips and 2 bolts. And the bolts, one goes there, tab goes there, clip goes there, clip goes there, and from there you're not gonna use the fog lights no more. So as you can see, they're gonna be fog light. So I'm about to sit you back down, show you what's going on. As you can see, the yellow is the turn signal, and I got it wired to the headlight itself. The red is a power wire, and the black is a ground, and I got those wired to the sides. They got zip ties around them. It don't look bad. You're not gonna see it from a distance. So I'm gonna show you on the other side the whole thing. So yeah, let's get into that. I drilled 2 holes. Damn, dang, my hand ashy. 2 holes there. 2 holes right there. 2 holes right there with zip ties. Hold it in. That's how it looks from the front. Can't really see it. You get up close on it. So now I'm about to wire it up. I'll be back to show you what I wired in. I'll be wiring into right here, which is the turn signal light, and to here. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. That is the side marker light that I'll be wiring into, and that's the turn signal for the headlight. So I'll be back to show you that in a second. Wired in right there. That's the turn signal light. Those 2 wires. Those 2 wires right there go to the side markers, which go all the way down. And I still gotta wire the side marker head in, so the side marker can work also, which is right here. So I'm gonna wire that in right there, extend it so it'll reach. So yeah, we're getting it done. Getting it done. I'll be back in a second. Show you how it look all put together. We got it back together. As you can see, clear function, like the regular light. I don't know how bright it is at night. This one guy I was talking to that I got the idea from, he didn't wire his turn signals in. My car dirty, I'm about to get ready to clean it. But me, I didn't want to leave that wire hanging out. So as you can see, they even got turn signal. You get up close. It don't look bad with the zip tie. Zip tie actually look like they glowing. So that don't look bad. I'll put the link to them in the description. And that's pretty much it. I'll be doing a boss manifold installing a little bit, but I'll be back. I'm about to get the car clean, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. And yeah, the guy I got the idea from. His side markers didn't work. As you can see, mine still work. There's that. That's my fog light Bluetooth. Both side markers still work. I wired them in to the side marker and wired the turn signal to the headlight itself. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit when my car clean. Show you a little more. All right, we back. Oh, wait, there it is. All right. All right, we back. And finna get into the walk around, show you these lights, show you the functions show you how they look with the lights off, wired into the turning signal. So I'm just about to show you everything about it and show you my shit box. Oh, wait a minute. All right, I'm back. All right, I'm about to show you everything though. Let's get into that. Okay, there we go. Let's look at it. I'm finna give you a rundown on the Belgian wheels. eBay badges, S550 brakes, Amazon headlights. That's how they light up the same color, that amber color. Unlocking, same thing, then they glow. Bro, I love them. I can't even lie. I love them. Like, give you a close up. It's a whole, everything is wired into, the turn signals are wired into it, and the headlights, the lights are themselves are wired into the side markers. So they cut on, go off, and I mean, you really can't go wrong with them. I think that's a better touch than the regular fog lights. I don't use my regular fog lights because I didn't want to upgrade the bulbs on them to LEDs. And I really didn't like how they look. But the ring lights to me are just a lot better, 100% better. So, front splitter and cowl hood on the way. And maybe a Celine front grille. That'll definitely finish off the front end. Then I get some paint on it. I need to get that fixed down there at the bottom. New brake color coming soon. I'm thinking black with a lime green sticker, maybe. I don't know. RTR, rear deck lid, Vector V2 tail lights, Mbrp exhaust. That's a stub antenna. I'm probably gonna take the RTR out the back lid because I don't know, I'm just gonna take it off. And I probably end up getting it painted like right there up in the cracks. Yeah, I'm gonna get that painted black. I'm just paint it black with some spray paint. And yeah, that's it. That's it, man. They look good. I love them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you what they look like with the turn signal. It's about the same thing, really nothing different. I wish I had somebody record for me. Right now I'm in the parking lot. Let's see, it should be on. It just blinked like it regularly do. As you can see, the other one still just lighted up in the LED color. So yeah, it's definitely a good touch. Zip tied up. If you don't like the zip ties, I'm sorry. The zip ties, you can't see them to me, so definitely look good to me. And I can't keep this camera focused in one spot with this gimbal, but you definitely get the picture. It look good. I'm out. That's it. Video over with. If you want to get the halo rings like I got, the link will be in the description. I'll probably put the link to the tail lights, the RTR deck lid, the headlights, all that'll be in the description. So you know what to do. Catch me next time, man. I'm out.